Hey, good morning, Gabby. It's Tuesday, November the 3rd, Election Day. Today in English, you're going to reread Fear and Phobias, that short little story. It's information. The author wrote it to inform you, not to entertain you, but to inform you. You hopefully were able to watch the videos that talked about when you have a book like a social studies book or like this article that you're reading and it's information, you need to pay attention to subtitles. You need to look at any inserts they have and not overlook those because those are important too. So you're going to reread that because we read it yesterday. You're going to reread that today. You can use the audio, but make sure that you're not just listening. You want to make sure that you read it too. Read along with it. And then when you're done, you're going to, on page 48 and 49 in your books, you're going to do a couple things. Okay, one of them is on page 49, you have 4 vocabulary words. You have activate, trigger, turbulence, and immaturity. So those 4 words, you need to open up Google Docs, not on a piece of paper with a pencil. You need to open up Google Docs and you need to write those 4 words, type those 4 words in there. You need to tell me what the definition of them is, and then you need to use it in a sentence. Okay, so that would be a total of two lines for activate, 2 for trigger, 2 for turbulence, and 2 for immaturity. Okay, and that is your vocab. If you look in your book, it even has the definitions in your book. Just don't copy down the same sentence that's used in your book, okay? All right, when you're done with that, over on page 48, you have, it's called Analyzing the Text, and you need to answer number 1, and you need to do number 2. So there are 6 questions. You only need to answer 1 and 2. All right, and there is a Google form for you to fill out for those 2. So fill out the Google form and then send it to me, and you should be in good shape. For social studies today, you're going to do the activity 2.2. It's a crossword on one side, and on the other side, it will say at the top 2.2, and it's Egypt's Old Kingdom. This is from chapter 2, section 2. Okay, so you did section 1, now we're on to section 2, which is a little bit different information about ancient Egypt. Okay, and that is posted in social studies. You open that as a Google slide. That means you hit the pencil, and then down at the bottom you hit the A so you can type on it. Okay, and then don't forget to turn it in when you're finished with that. Okay, and that's it for today. If you have any questions, just send me an email, let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, okay? All right. Have a good day. Bye.